Welcome back to TechDrive Reviews. Today we're diving into the Volvo World's Most Safest Campervan 2025. Renowned for its unparalleled safety and Scandinavian design, Volvo has outdone itself with this innovative campervan. This vehicle is a perfect blend of cutting-edge safety technology, luxurious comfort, and practical functionality, making it ideal for adventurous souls who prioritize security and style on the road. The exterior design of the Volvo Campervan is sleek, modern, and highly functional. Built on Volvo's trusted chassis, it features a lightweight yet strong aluminum structure and a reinforced roof for added durability. Large panoramic windows provide excellent visibility and natural light, while integrated LED lighting ensures enhanced safety and style. Practical features like a retractable electric awning and cleverly designed exterior storage make this van as practical as it is visually appealing. Step inside and you'll find an interior that perfectly balances luxury and utility. The living area is thoughtfully arranged with ergonomic seating and a convertible dinette, creating a cozy space for relaxation or dining. The sleeping area includes a high-quality mattress and built-in storage, ensuring restful nights and plenty of room for essentials. The kitchen is equipped with premium appliances, including a 2-burner induction cooktop, a convection microwave, a compact yet spacious refrigerator, and sleek cabinetry. Solid surface countertops and modern finishes make it as stylish as it is functional. Safety remains the star of the show. Volvo has integrated its renowned safety features into this campervan, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance technology, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. The van is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems to ensure peace of mind on every journey. Off-grid travel is supported by optional solar panels, upgraded battery systems, and energy-efficient appliances, making it as practical as it is safe. Powered by a fuel-efficient Volvo engine, this campervan offers smooth performance and reliability on all terrains. With Volvo's advanced suspension system and dynamic stability control, it delivers a confident driving experience whether you're navigating winding mountain roads or cruising the highway. WL203, the road to the stars. This has been the winner of the Best Road Battle for WL203, the road to the stars. This is starting at $89,000. The Volvo World's Most Safest Campervan 2025 is an investment in both safety and luxury. With customizable layouts and upgrade options, it caters to travelers who demand the best in innovation and security. The Volvo Campervan stands out as the ultimate combination of safety, comfort, and advanced technology. Thanks for watching TechDrive Reviews. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews of the latest campervans and motorhomes.